So today I'm in Bowness on Windermere. I've got a bungalow to treat and clean. So it's a pebble dash. I'll show you around. So you can see there's quite a lot of red staining is here, and I came 3 days ago and did a test patch. You can see where I've done the test patch. And this wall here, this is quite heavily contaminated, so, and that, as I say, this was 3 days ago. This was treated and cleaned, and I've got to go around this bit. Yeah. And this wall here. So we'll just get set up and then we'll see how we get on. Finish this job, I'll just walk you around. See, this was very red before, and as it dries out, we probably can't see it, but if there are any dead spores, so that here there's a black mark here, this is dead spores, and they'll drop off. So I've now come back just to see how this bungalow's doing in Bowness, and this is 2 days ago that I did it, and it's now dried out. So you can see it's cleaned up really well. So this area here, there was obviously quite a lot of red algae on here, that's all gone. And this gable end, this chimney breast, looking really good. Around the side, I'll wander around here. I'm really pleased with that. It looks really good down the bottom. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please press subscribe and press the like button.